Okay, so here are all three of the central air conditioners running at nighttime. So I'll be right back and I'm gonna go take a look at that unit right there. Alright, and here's my granddad's unit. Got a open skull. It's extremely loud. So this unit's actually not gonna get serviced tomorrow. Mountain Valley called and said they can't come for some reason. Yeah. 4-ton, 34th week of 2004. It's working better than it has the last couple days, so that's good. Yeah. Now I'll be right back at the neighbor's unit. I'll be right back. Alright, so here are the neighbor's units. Here's the value. I just got a video of just these two running, which I'll still upload, and I'll do one of all three of them running. Got that open skull. Sounds like this one's a lot quieter. Working much better than that one is. Yeah. It's a 4-ton from the 39th week of 2000. 4-ton. And I think I found out why it's blowing kind of cold air here, or warm air everywhere else. It's kind of hard to see, but right here, you can feel a little bit of hot air right there. I don't know if you can hear that. I can feel it. I can still hear that thing over from here. Yeah, and here's this unit. It's got a complete skull. I got a video of all the units here running at once last June, and it's also June now, so yeah, 1 year later. Obviously, but yeah. It is from the 14th week of 2004, 2.5 ton, which means this unit is older than that unit over there. Yeah. Alright, so there you go. All three of the central air conditioners running at once. And you can see how much louder that unit is. That rattle compared to these two. So much quieter. Alright. Thank y'all for watching. And I'll see y'all in the next one.